provide directions to the nearest safe zone.
Papaganda. Tara, ya.
Isang dahon lang yan, madaming pako na yan.
Pako ba yan?
Oo,
yan ang kinakain nila?
ito lang alam ko din. Service fee. Yan, ang mga namin plans.
Dati, mas maliwanag dati. Same lang yata. Iisip ko nga. May isang buwan na ba?
Pagdating sa... may mga natawa.
Meron naman ata mo. Ito. No?
Ginastusan talaga kaya binabawi.
Tourist attraction. pag may ano, maraming turista.
Oo.
Dati hindi naman tayo pumapasok dito, no?
Hindi. Tapos may nagkamali pa sa amin. May nagkamaling magbigay.
Oo.
Nagpanik ang amo ko.
Akala kong ano na.
Nakwento ko na ba sa iyo yan?
Oo.
Sayang, pag ganun palang nagkamali, sa'yo na yun. Hindi na daw yung babalikan.
Ay.
Oo, hindi na daw. Sayang.
Kasi na-remark na na-deliver na.
Lugi na lang.
Kawawa yung ano,
Nag-deliver ano?
yung bumili.
Oo. Parang tunay na tunay eh. Ano?
Na. Mas maganda yata sa kabila. Doon banda konti. Doon banda. Para kita. Yan na.
Taas ng kuryente niyan.
Ito?
Yan. Di ba yung nagpapagalaw niya?
Oo.
Tingnan mo, sabi ko 1,200.
Ha?
1,200 volts.
Ito?
Ginagamit ko para mapagalaw.
Bubugayan ng apoy.
Kaya mahal ang bayad dito eh.
Bubugayan ng apoy. Yung masama.
Pag naka 1 million ka,
Oh, yan na. Hindi nakikita. Magpupugayan. Pikit-pikit ang mata, oh. Pumipikit-pikit ang mata, oh. Delta. Charlie. Natutulog.
parang tunay eh.
Awesome. So, check this out. It's alright, Blue. It's alright. Hey. Eyes on me. Stand down. Stand down. Okay. You're listening today. That's good. You guys want to say hi to Blue? You can just wave to Blue. Hi, Blue. Yeah. Okay. So now that we have her out here, I'm just going to demonstrate a simple exercise. Eyes on me. Okay, that's good. Just gonna slowly walk back here. I gotta make sure my eyes are on her at all times. Easy, girl. Easy. Good job, girl. Actually, if you're up for it, does anybody here want to try this hand shrugging exercise with me? Anybody volunteers would you like to give it a go? So give it a go? Alright. Yeah, alright. Everyone give her some encouragement, guys. Give her some encouragement. Alright. Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do, keep your hand up. Keep your eyes on her. Keep it straight, okay? Yeah. You got her attention, that's good. Alright. Slowly walk towards me. You're doing a great job. Awesome job. All right, now back to your left. You can keep your hand up. You can keep your hand up. Yeah. All right, good job. Everyone give her a round of applause. Thank you so much, our brave volunteer. Yeah, you did an awesome job. I think a bit too well. Don't take my job. I need this job. All right. So before I muzzle Blue up, Now is the time for photos, selfies, and videos, but always remember, no flash photography. Hey, it's alright. Stand down, Blue, stand down. Okay, it's probably a good time for me to set her back now. Hey, back it up, Blue, back it up. Hey, back it up.
No.
I'm so sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Something must have set her off. So I'm gonna go check up on her, but before that, thank you so much for visiting us here at Jurassic World. And I'll see you real soon, guys. Bye-bye. Good job.